Hey, welcome back. Karen here with Being Gluten-Free Life. Today's recipe video, I'm bringing you a to die for super, and I mean super easy vegan nacho cheese dip. This is gluten-free, nut-free, and guilt-free. Okay, onto our yummy plant-based ingredients. I have 2 cups of cooked potatoes. I like red and white. Carrots, I just use the baby ones. Those are just as easy to grab. Don't have to cut anything up. Steam them, bake them, put them in the microwave, whatever works for you. Some vegan mayonnaise, plant-based milk. This happens to be oat milk. Nutritional yeast, that gives it that yummy cheesy flavor, and it's great for you. Fresh lemon, just because I love fresh lemon. I can't give you any other reason. I love it. Turmeric, great for the color. Garlic, onion powder, salted to taste. Now onto a little bit of spice. Get yourself a jalapeno. You want it hot? Go for it. Dice it up, put the whole damn thing in. I don't care. Whatever works for you. Just eliminate the seeds. Now let's get on to the easy part. Grab a blender or a food processor and let's start adding our ingredients. Add everything, but only a little bit of your liquid, either the plant-based milk or some vegan broth. Oh yeah, and don't forget your jalapenos. You can always add some more in, so you might want to just hold off on adding too much. Now start blending and slowly add in your liquid. You don't want this too thin and you don't want it too thick. As you can see, I have some little red specks in there. That's from the potato. I love to leave the skin on the potato. Hey, what the heck? Nutritious, and you don't have to peel them. All right, either warm it up on the stove, put it in a container. Oh my God, this is so good. It's making me hungry. Add a little bit of jalapeno for some color and enjoy this amazing, super easy dish. If you want, thin it down a little bit more, put it over some elbow macaroni noodles, and you've got yourself an easy mac and cheese. 2 recipes in one. Doesn't get better than that. Now, if you want the full recipe, go to veganglutenfreelife.com for this amazing vegan nacho cheese dip. Subscribe because you don't want to miss out on any of these great recipes. Check out my YouTube channel for even more easy to follow video recipes. And the most important thing you can take away from this video is to have fun in the kitchen and try not to take all this too seriously. If you screw up, oh well, who cares? If you want, let me know how you made this recipe your own, or any other one for that matter. Can't wait to see you soon. Bye.